sklearn. Cluster. Agglomerative clustering. Description performs hierarchical clustering using a bottom-up approach, where initially each data point is considered a single cluster and then pairs of clusters are merged based on a similarity measure until a single cluster remains. Inputs. Data matrix. A feature matrix of shape n samples. N features representing the data points to be clustered. Number of clusters. N clusters. The desired number of clusters to produce. If not specified, the number of clusters is determined automatically. Affinity. The metric used to compute the distance between two samples. Common options include Euclidean, Manhattan, cosine, etc. Linkage. The linkage criterion determining the distance between sets of observations. Common options include WOD, complete, average, single. Outputs. Cluster labels. An array of shape n samples, indicating the cluster label for each data point. Steps. Compute distance matrix. Calculate the pairwise distances between all data points based on pair. Specified affinity. Merge clusters. Iteratively merge the closest clusters based on the linkage criterion until pair desired number of clusters is reached. Fine-tune parameters. Number of clusters. N clusters. The desired number of clusters in the final result. Affinity. The metric used to compute the distance between two samples. Linkage. The linkage criterion determining the distance between sets of observations. Challenges and fixes. Computational cost can be expensive for large datasets due to the computation of the distance matrix and the iterative merging process. Efficient distance metrics. Use efficient distance metrics like Euclidean or Manhattan distance. Early stopping. Stop the clustering process before reaching the desired number of clusters if computational resources are limited. Choice of linkage criterion. The choice of linkage criterion can significantly impact pair clustering results. Experiment with different linkage criteria. Try different linkage criteria. WOD, complete, average, single to find the best fit for the data. Consider data distribution. The choice of linkage criterion should be based on the shape and distribution of the data. Determining optimal number of clusters. The optimal number of clusters is often not known beforehand. Silhouette coefficient. Evaluate the quality of clustering using the silhouette coefficient. Elbow method. Plot the sum of squared distances within clusters against the number of clusters to identify the elbow point. Dendrogram. Visualize the hierarchical clustering process using a dendrogram to identify potential cutoff points.